Hello people and welcome to Movie Talkies Weekend Show. I'm your host Pankuri and this weekend we'll review Heroine. Insecure actresses, gay designers, bitchy starlets and starry manipulation. That's Heroine in a nutshell for you. Madhur Bhandarkar's magnum opus releases this weekend and we must say that the movie starring Kareena Kapoor, Arjun Rampal and Randeep Hooda is sure to remind you of fashion. Like the national award-winning film, Heroine 2 deals with the concept of success, downfall and redemption of a star performer. However, what the director fails to realize is that the same formula might not work again and again. So you have Kareena Kapoor as Mahi Arora, an insecure and bipolar actress who pops pills and swigs whiskey like no tomorrow and pleads and begs for commitment from her co-star Aryan, played by Arjun Rampal. When Aryan refuses to play ball, she promptly breaks up with him and starts hanging out with dashing cricketer Angad Paul, played by Randeep Hooda. But now she wants to focus on her career when Angad presents her with a ring and proposes marriage. Weird? You bet. Though the film is a Kareena Kapoor product all the way as she dominates the screen with her presence, you might get disappointed to see her play a crybaby throughout the film. Both Rampal and Randeep put in a decent performance, though their roles are quite short. Like mentioned earlier, Heroine reminds you a lot of fashion, which might be a letdown. Moreover, Bhandarkar neglects to shed any light on Mahi's past and seems content to only focus on her insecurities and bipolar nature, with the result that Mahi seems more like a caricature than a real person. On the bright side though, Madhur has invested a lot of thought in Kareena's look and costumes, which lights up the screen rather pleasantly. All in all, if you are a Kareena fan, do go for Heroine. Others may just buy a fashion DVD and watch it again. We give this film a rating of 2.5 stars. So that's all we have for you this week. I'll catch you next week with some more fresh reviews. We would love to hear from you, so do write to us in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest Bollywood events, gossip and news. You can also follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. Until next time, this is me Pankuri signing off.